Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waipahu, local and long distance movers near me. It's time to contact a trustworthy moving company if you need to move in or out of Waipahu. 3 Movers is a local and long distance moving company with a great customer service. You can execute your transfer smoothly and cost effectively with the support of our educated and professional personnel. We offer movers, drivers, professionals, and top of the line equipment to transport your belongings. Long distance movement requires the transport of goods from one state to another across a distance of more than 100 miles. Because this entails enormous distances, it also necessitates a significant amount of time. To perform long-distance movements, solid planning and a well-managed group are required to 3 Movers and is located in Waipahu and provides long-distance moving services at extremely reasonable rates to all customers. We successfully accomplish our responsibilities competently, giving our consumers our very best, thanks to the good and well-trained managerial team. As the name implies, local moves refer to transferring items from one location to another inside the same state or territory. Because it involves short distances, it is straightforward and quick. In addition to providing a great local moving services, 3 Movers also offers competitive costs. Contact us today for more information about our moving services in the local area. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Waipahu moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.